Hello, my dear student. How are you today? Hoping you're fine. Okay. Today we will talk about explore three-digit numbers. Are you ready for our lesson today? Well, let's see what we mean about explore three-digit numbers. First of all, let's see here. Here, one from you. Write the number in different way. So our lesson today means we need to write the same number in different way. You know, it's like if I want to say hi, maybe I could say hello. I guess it's the same meaning, only I said it in different words, right? So that's the same. Here we need to write the same number but in different way. Today we will know how we can write the same number in three different ways. Let's see how. First of all, let's know what is the number that we have here. We know that each line of that represents 10, right? How that? If we count it, let's count it together. Come on, let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So each line of that represents 10, right? Okay. We can counting like that. 10, it's mean tens, right? So let's count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So we have 12 tens. Okay. Or we can counting by 10 like that. We know each line represents 10, so it will be 10, 20, 30. So we jump 10 because each line represents 10. Let's count from the beginning. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100, 110, 120, okay? So it's 12 tens. We can write it like that. 120, okay? Or how many hundred do we have here? We have 100, right? And 2 tens. So we can write it like that. 100 plus 20. So the same number, so the number here is 120. Okay, let's write it in the square here to know it. So the number we have here is 120. We can write it like that. 12 tens. This is the first way. The second way, we can write it 100, 2 tens. And the third way, we can write it like that. 100 plus 20. You get it? Are you sure? Okay, now let's see the second one. Now I need one of you to help me and tell me how can I answer this one. I'm waiting for your answer, okay? Come on, please guys, one of you help me. Okay, go ahead, tell me what we should do here. Super, I can hear you. You tell me that each line of this represents 10. Super, my dear. Let's count it together. We have here what? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. So we have here 13 tens. And that's equal what? Tens. When we see tens, that means we will put 0 with the number 13. So it's 130. How we can write it in the second way? It's 130, right? So we will write 100 here, and the tens, it will be 3 tens. If we want to write it with the number, that will be 100 plus 30. Okay, you get it? That's great. Now let's see the second one. Miss, it's a little hard. No, it's not. It's the same. All what you have, just count. Don't say it's hard. It's so easy. You're so smart, and you can't write the answer. Okay? Just count, and let's make it in steps. Don't worry. Now, can you count and tell me what's the answer? Come on, count with me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. So here we have 20 tens, right? That's great. When we see the word tens, that means we will put 0 to the number. So here we have 200, okay? If I want to write it in the number here, it will be 200. And what about the tens? It will be 0. We don't have anything. It's just 200. So if I want to write it in a number, that will be 200 and 0. Or you can write it like that, 100 plus 100, yeah, whatever, okay? It could be like this, 100 plus 100. It's up to you, okay? Okay, here he wants from you, choose the correct answer. He tells you that a bakery tray holds 10 muffins. How many muffins will fit on 18 trays? So can you tell me? So let's make a draw to know and to find the correct answer in an easy way. So he tells you that a bakery tray holds 10. So in each one we have 10 muffins, okay? And he asked how many muffins will fit on 18 trays. So let's draw 18. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. Super. So he asked how many muffins will fit on 18. So this is the 18 that he asked about it. In each one we have 10 muffins, okay? So now we need to know how many the total. What's the total here will be what? Let's see. In each one we will have 10. So let's count by 10. It will be 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100, 110, 120, 130, 140, 150, 160, 170, 180. So the total will be 180. Okay? You got it? That's great. Now let's see the last question that we have today. He asks you, which has the same variable as 17 tenths? So here he asks you in a different word. Can you write 17 tenths in a different way? So let's see the choices that we have. The first one, 17 hundredths. When we see hundredths, that means we will have 2 zeros. Okay, so the number became 1,700. Of course, this is not 17, so that's not correct. Just leave it. Okay, let's see the last choice we have here. We have 107 tenths. 107 tenths. Let's write it. Here, 170. Is that 17? Okay, but here it's not 17, it's 17 tenths, right? Tenths, it means we will put 0. So 17 tenths, it's equal to 120. So of course it's this one, this is correct. Okay, let's see the second one. Here he tells you 1/10, 7 ones. 1/10, let's write 1 on tens, 7 ones. Let's write 7 ones, that's 17. But he wants here 17 tens. 17 tens equal to 107. You got it? That's great. Okay, my dears, now we finish our session. I hope you understand the lesson. So guys, bye and see you next time, inshallah. Bye.